Where do I enter a 1098 form on Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. A 1098 form is a tax form used in the United States to report certain types of payments and transactions to both the taxpayer and the Internal Revenue Service. This form is used by mortgage lenders to report the amount of interest paid on a mortgage during the tax year. Homeowners who have paid mortgage interest of $600 or more during the year will receive this form. The information on this form is important for the homeowners who may be eligible to deduct mortgage interest on federal income tax return. To enter the Form 1098, you first have to open up a web browser and head over to jacksonhewitt.com and press enter. On this page, first of all, you need to log into your account. For that, you want to click on the login/sign up option, select My JH account, enter all of your credentials such as your username or email ID, then your password, and click on the sign in option. Once you have been signed into your account, you want to search for 1098 on the search bar. Then click Jump to 1098 and follow the instructions to enter your mortgage information. If you have mortgage on your home, your lender should send you a Form 1098 by early February. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can contact the customer support of Jackson Hewitt. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.